What if your first trade took just 3 clicks with zero risk? You're not using real cash here. You're using virtual money to practice. So instead of worrying about mistakes, you get to learn how trading actually works in a safe environment and build confidence before you ever put real money on the line. The process has 3 steps. First, pick one of 7 exchanges: BBC, BRVM, BVMT, EGX, JSE, NGX, or NSE. Second, browse real companies with live prices and pick a stock. Third, enter a quantity and confirm. Exchange, stock, buy. That's it. Because it's virtual money, you can focus entirely on learning the process. Take NSE as an example. Stocks range from 2.5 KES for Flametree up to 69 KES for KCB Group. Very different price points. Your arena budget is 1 million KES, which is large enough to buy several different stocks rather than concentrating everything in one place. That's a key investing habit worth practicing from day one. Arena and real trading are built differently by design. Arena gives you virtual money, zero risk, and badges to keep you engaged while you learn by doing. Real trading involves your actual money, the risk of losing it, brokerage fees, and a broker account. Arena is where you build the habit. The real market is where it counts. 3 rules stop Arena from becoming a guessing game. You can't put more than 30% into one stock, so you're forced to think about spreading risk. You're capped at 10 trades per day, which discourages frantic clicking. And zero volume stocks are filtered out, so you only practice with names that actually trade in the real market. Start at afrivestia.com/arena to create your virtual portfolio. Before buying, explore stocks using the screener at afrivestia.com/screener. If you're not sure where to begin, ask Mansa AI at afrivestia.com/chat something like, "Which NSE stock should I buy first?" Each tool has a distinct role: portfolio, research, and guidance. Quick recap: Arena uses virtual money, so there's zero risk while you practice. Your first trade is 3 clicks: exchange, stock, buy. The anti-gaming rules make the simulation behave more like a real market, helping you build habits that carry over when real money is involved. Next lesson: owning the brands you use every day.